Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. We are the Truck Familia. In this video I will present you Gylle marker lights in the bulb model. Some call them Danish marker lights. They are very often used in the Dutch tuning style, but in fact the Gylle company is located in Sweden. A bit confusing? Don't worry. Welcome to the video. First of all, the main advantage of these markers is their modularity. You can freely configure the model as you wish. Often you will find them as pipes mounted in steps or rear bumper, as well as 3 orange marker lamps under the front plate under the bumper. They are also used under truck mirrors. I'll start by introducing the 3 basic types of handles. Of course, Gylle offers more types, but in this episode we will focus on the basic ones. What is more, you can choose between glasses in red, orange, clear white and milky white. Interestingly, the socket is designed to install 2 bulbs. Okay, so what makes up a complete lamp? To compose your own lamp, you need to choose rubber arm. I will start by talking about the model with a short 110mm rubber arm. There is a hole in the handle through which you need to pass the electric cable. Then you need to install the socket and 2 bulbs. The next step will be to assemble 2 glasses. You can choose any color from those available. This is where I have some advice for you. Beforehand, you can carefully pour warm water over the rubber to make it more flexible. You can also smear the edge with lubricant to make it slippery. Of course, you can also use a screwdriver, but watch your hands, be careful. Once you have installed the lampshades, pay attention to the top markings on them. Therefore, the lampshades should be positioned so that the part with the inscription "top" is at the top. To install such a ready-made lamp in a vehicle, you can simply drill a hole in the body and insert the rubber bracket. Additionally, the set includes a rectangular bracket that you can mount using bolts or screws. Okay, now let's move on to the curved rubber arms. Assembling the lamp is done in a similar way. You need to insert the cables into the hole, install the socket, 2 bulbs and then the shades. It will look the same for the 165mm and 195mm holder. You should mount the lamp on the vehicle using screws or rivets. Now let me tell you some important facts. Lamps are available for purchase as each part separately. You can compose them freely, and in case of damage, replace only the damaged part, not the entire lamp. You can also change the color of the lampshades at any time. These simple facts made Gylle lamps dominate the lighting in Dutch-style truck tuning. If you want to purchase such lamps, you can of course do it on our online store previously known as transoap.eu. You can purchase every element of the Gylle lamp from us. Thank you for your attention. More videos will appear on our channel soon. Give it a thumbs up and press the subscribe button.